those two. So we have to care about. Now we are coming to real passage. All right. Now we are coming to real passage of SAT. These are some precautions that we'll talk later. But now this is a real passage that we read in the essay, and then we develop our essay. Now go through.
Wait. Yeah.
All right. So if you start writing any essay, and though we have one more paragraph, I mean, we have more information, but because short time, so we will talk about point to point. Now, what we do, the first we start with giving introduction. And introduction is what that this passage is from Robert Redford, and it is about protector are wild horses, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And after that, what we have to do, we have to give introduction. That how Robert has started talking about these things. So basically, he has started saying that really he is in great love or fond of horses, right?
Yeah.
And then he has given his own memory that he has a good history of about it, and then blah blah blah, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And after that, in second and third paragraph, what actually he has developed about that what is the what government is doing.
Yeah.
All right. So in SAT essay writing, what we care, the first we care about all the keywords from the passage. And after that, we select keywords and we vocabulary to connect those two, I mean, the information we have gathered from the passage, and then we proceed. Now, what are the keywords you have noticed, and what did you understand from the passage?
So for the first passage, some keywords I would say is that professional and personal, long passion, national heritage and freedom, preservation, tenacious support, and symbolic representation.
Okay. Oh, very good, very good, very good. So you are smart enough to cover. Okay. So if you write the paragraph, will you help me to understand that how do you develop it?
So for the first paragraph, yeah, I think he had a good hook. So he basically connected himself with the wild horse. In the second sentence, I can see him saying that how he's relating his entire life of his passion for horses and how he's trying to protect wild horses in America. And and the last sentence of this paragraph, he connects wild horses to America's national heritage and freedom, and then he moves on to a smooth transition between first and second paragraph.
Oh, lovely, lovely. Okay, so it's when you are smart enough. Now, will you help me to understand really what exactly issue you have when you write essay?
So when I'm writing an essay, what happens is that I don't really know if I'm doing really. I don't know if I'm actually writing what I'm supposed to write. I know I have good choice of vocabulary, but I don't know if my grammar is as my teacher wants, because when my teacher is grading it, she's grading it based on SAT standards and high school standards. Whereas if when I was in eighth grade, my teacher was really was she was really partial in grading. So now I have little to no idea of how our teacher wants it to grade and how she actually wants us to write the essay, because we follow a T-bear method for each paragraph. And so basically, T-bear is like you basically give your topic sentence, and then you give some brief evidence, and then
Right,
you give you give brief explanation. Then it comes evidence. Then it comes
right.
analysis of the evidence, and then the
Mhm.
R is basically reconnecting the thesis of our paragraph
Correct, correct,
back to
correct.
our yeah.
Fine. Okay. So see, that's called way. What's the difference between another essays that we write and we write here? So the very simple that when we talk about our own essays, when we have our own information to cover, to give an example. But when we talk about others' essay, when we read any passage and paragraph, and then we come to the point. In that case, what we consider other points first, and then we connect it. So the way we should go ahead, you are okay. I believe that 70 to 90% you are correct. I'll help you in doing so. The first, we will find out the keywords, then we'll start with introduction, and after that, we will keep on connecting the information, and that's called wind up. So the words of passage will be developed in our own language, but information will be taken from the passage, and that is also the part of a score, because whatever we read, whatever we get information of it. All right.
Yeah.
But I'm so sorry because I have session, and so I cannot continue anymore. I'm so
Yeah.
sorry, but I really
That's fine.
I will be very happy to joining you again, and God bless you. India is waiting for you.
Thank you. Have a
Have a
nice
good
day.
time. Same to you.
Yeah. Hello. Hello. Could you just excuse me for like a minute? I just need to go and grab some water. Thank you.
Yes, yes, please.
Yeah.
Okay, the algebra, linear equations and linear inequalities. Linear equation means what? Okay, first of all, the whole basics should be clear. Every whole, the idea of linear, what is linear equation, what is quadratic, what is cubic, the idea should be clear. What is
Yeah.
this linear equation?
Linear. I think Li should stand for. I guess the root word should be Li should be straight. So basically, it should have something to do with graphing. So linear equations and linear equality are something along graphing on an axis or some type.
No.
Oh, okay.
You are able to give the answer, but we rely everything since on the concepts. I tell you what is linear equation.
Yeah.
Equation means you are equating two things, left hand equal to right hand.
Yeah.
Equation, the word itself means like this. So when we talk about the linear equations, this is like I open a board now and I start writing. So I use proper pen and pencil. So this is like equation like 3x plus 2y equal to 6. 3x square plus 3x square plus 2y equal to 6. Okay?
Yeah.
3x cube plus 2y square equal to 6. Which is linear?
Linear. I don't think any of them are linear. No, wait. The first one's linear. First one's linear.
Why?
Because unlike any of these, it does not have. We're not rounding. We're not multiplying it by. We're not exponential. We're not doing anything that relates to an exponential, because If it was an exponential, it would be an exponential equation rather than a linear one.
Because the degree, the exponent is 1.
Yeah.
That's why this is linear.
Yeah.
Linear means 1 exponent. The exponent has to be 1.
Yeah.
That's called linear.
Yeah.
You're getting?
Yes.
That has to be x to the power nothing is given. That means x to the power 1 is there. Y to the power 1.
Yeah.
And what is x to the power 0, Shaurya?
X to the power 0 should still equal 1.
Why?
I don't know the exact rule, but I know from reading math books so far it should be 1.
Now, after studying, you must be knowing everything.
Yeah.
Your concept, you are able to give answer. You can get good marks inside. You can score well. That is great.
Yeah.
But even better than that is you should be able to grasp. You should be able to know the concept why it is. Now I tell you, x to the power 0 equals x to the power. I can write that as x to the power 1 minus 1.
Yeah.
I can write this x to the power 1 minus 1 as x to the power 1 into point means multiplication.
Yeah.
Your
Yeah.
x to the power 1 multiplication x to the power minus 1.
Yes.
I can write x to the power minus 1 is what?
X to the power of -1 should be 1 over x to the power of 1.
Exactly. And x to the power 1 over x to the power 1. Actually, no one writes x to the power 1 first of all. X to the
Yeah.
power 1, everyone writes x and x only.
Yeah.
No one writes, when 1 is the power, no one mentions it.
Yeah.
It's understood. That means x over x
Is -1. X to the power of -1. Or 1 over x1.
got it? And
Yeah.
that is equal to what? X over x, that is equal to 1.
X to the power, yeah.
Got it?
Yes.
And that's how the x to the power 0 is coming out to be 1.
Okay. Yes. So basically, x to the power of 0 is, if we get x to the power of 0 is because we're basically subtracting the same exponents on both sides. So, and if we're dividing both exponents on the same side, if the same exponents, if the same numbers are divided, answer is always 1.
Exactly. So x to the power 0, x to the power 0, you can write anything, whatever you want. You can write x to the power 0 as x to the power 2 minus 2.
Yeah.
That's going to be equal to what? X to the power 2 upon
X to 2.
x to the power 2. And you cancel it.
Yeah.
And that becomes what?
X to the power of 0, which is equal to 1.
Got it?
Yeah.
You cancel it and that becomes 1. That's why the x to the power 0 is coming out to be 1. The concept should be clear.
Yes.
The linear equation one. Now, what is linear equation? X to the power 0. So I can also, if nothing is there, then I can write 3 x to the power 0 means what? I am talking about just 3.
Yeah.
Because 3 into 1.
Yeah.
So equation with highest degree as 1. Highest degree. Degree means what? This one.
Degree.
Degree means exponent.
Degree means what again?
Exponent, the power.
Yeah.
Equation with the highest power as 1, that is called linear equation.
Yeah.
Here I am writing 6, nothing is there. So I can even write 6x to the power 0. What is there? It's okay. That is 6 only because 6 into 1 is 6.
Yeah.
What is quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is what? Quadratic equation is equation with highest power as 2.
Yeah.
Here highest power is 2 and here the power is 1.
Yeah.
Nothing is there. So, but the highest among these two is 2.
Yeah.
Cubic is
3.
highest power 3.
Yeah.
Here the power is 3, here is 2. Highest among these two is 3. Then there is one thing called biquadratic.
Yeah.
Biquadratic is 4.
Yeah.
Whatever 2y equal to whatever equation, whatever comes like and 2y cube equal to 2y cube equal to 6. Here the power is 4, 1 and 3. Highest power is 4. This is biquadratic. That's why the name goes linear means 1, Quadratic means 2, highest power.
Yeah.
Cubic means 3.
3. Yeah.
This is how it goes. So the concept should be clear. If someone asks you why linear equation, then you should be able to tell, oh, this is the reason actually why the linear equation.
Yeah.
Equation means equal things must come. You are equating left hand equal to right hand. What is inequality?
Inequalities? I think they're equations basically involving greater than
exactly
greater
than less than.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. Fine. Okay, so let's go for the question. The basic concept is clear, I believe.
Yeah.
Okay. 5a minus 12 greater than or equal to 2. Which of the following best describes the solution to the inequality shown above? Come
B.
on. Answer is 14 by 5. Answer is B.
Yeah.
Correct. How did you do it? 5a
yeah.
greater than equal to 2 plus 12. A greater than equal to A greater than equals to
14 divided by
14 by 14 over 5. Quite easy.
Yeah.
You know the basic rule. It goes to minus becomes plus when you transfer it to left hand to right hand.
Yeah.
Plus becomes minus. Multiplication becomes
division.
Goes into division. Division goes in becomes
multiplication.
Easy.
Yes.
Next one. Good.
C.
Okay. 3 plus 10x minus 5 equal to a plus 1 into x minus 2. In the above equation shown, a is the constant.
Yeah.
For what value of a does the equation have infinitely many solutions?
10. C. It should 2 should be C.
How do you do it?
Because if in order to be an infinitely many solution, both sides need to be 0. So if you see, wait, no, wait, I didn't actually. Actually, can you give me a minute to solve it?
Just solve it.
Yeah, can you give me a minute to solve it?
Yeah, please solve it.
Yeah. Oh, actually, the answer should be 9.
Exactly. The answer should be 9.
Yeah.
How do you do it?
I substituted. Actually, never mind. I solved. I added the same number. So I added 3 and -5 onto the right hand side, and then I subtracted 10. I subtracted 1 n from 10, and I basically got 9. So I just needed to see what would the answer of A be in order for both of them to be 0. So I thought it was 9.
I tell you now. See.
Yeah.
Okay. 3 plus 10x minus y. On the left hand side, add the variables and add the constants. Yeah. Variable is what? This 10x is a variable.
Yeah.
Just 10x is like 3 minus 5 is -2.
Yeah.
Okay. A plus 1 x minus 2. Minus 2 both sides. Just cancel it. Obviously, minus 2 will go. This side is going to be plus 2, becomes 0. So what is coming out to be? 10x equal to a plus 1. I'm sorry.
10x equal to a plus 1 and x.
Exactly. Let me write it properly. 10x equal to a plus 1 into x.
Yeah.
Okay. When such situation comes and they are talking about the infinitely many solutions. When they are talking about the infinitely many solution.
Yeah.
That means then 10 has to be equal to what? 10 is going to be equal to a plus 1.
Yeah.
The coefficient for infinitely many solutions.
Both of them should be the same.
Both of them should be same. Exactly. Both of them should be same. Like 3x equal to 3x.
Yeah.
Getting what I'm saying? 3x
Yeah,
equal to 3x, whatever it is. So such whatever you are putting on the right hand side, it's going to be on the left hand side.
Yeah.
So the coefficient must be equal. So 10 equal to a plus 9. So a is equal to
equal to 9 because 9 plus 1 equals 10.
A equal to 9. Got it?
Yeah.
This is how you do it. So for infinitely many solution,
yeah,
the coefficient of this one must be equal. Otherwise, you cannot do it.
Yeah.
That's what that's what is the thing. So hope you got it.
Yeah.
Next question. Come on, fast. Let's see.
I think it should be. It should be C.
Exactly. The answer is C. Because if you put t equal to 0, so m is going to be the money. Money in 1991.
Yeah.
And for 1992, you'd have to put t equal to 1.
Yeah.
For 1993, t equal to 2.
Yes.
So as you keep on increasing t, the years will keep on increasing.
Yes.
So that what is t? That means this is the rate. 7.2 is rate. 7.2 is going to be just the rate. It's a dollar.
Yeah.
7.2 million. 7.2 million each year per year. That means it is $7.2. It's a dollar 7.2 million per year. Per year.
Yeah.
And you are multiplying it with year. For like 92, you are going to put 1. For 93, you are going to put 2. So 2 years multiply. So each year, obviously. Got it?
Yes.
This is how. Okay, come on.
I think it should, and the answer should be A.
Really? Why?
Because wait, I have to read this one.
You can reread it. You can reread it. Take your time. Pranav faces the gas for normalize the equation models the amount of gas G in gas in Pranav when he has driven M miles. What is the meaning of 26 in the equation? When he has not driven, that means M is going to be 0. So that means the initial content of the tank was 15.
Yeah.
If this M becomes 26, suppose he has driven 26.
Yeah.
If he has driven 26, then 26 upon 26.
Yeah.
It's going to be 1.
Yeah.
And in that case, what it is 15 minus 1, that means 14.
14. Yeah.
The content of the tank will decrease by 1.
Yeah.
That means it is consuming 26 miles. It is taking. It is going. If he goes 26 miles, he
Yeah.
consumes one
1 gallon.
1 gallon. So it is the average that's called that's called mileage.
Yeah.
So answer is going to be A.